Hello guys, welcome to you. On my PC, some files, some folders and some desktop icons showing red cross mark, and we want to remove that red cross mark from our Windows 11 PC or laptop. This is a very easy and simple process. I go to the File Explorer, and in File Explorer also we find red cross mark and we want to remove that. There are two ways. This is not a problem of our Windows 11, it is a problem of the OneDrive. Our OneDrive is full. That's why it's happened. We can go to the here OneDrive from here or close it and go to your desktop, find OneDrive at here or OneDrive at here. Okay, here we find OneDrive, click on OneDrive. Here we find settings, click on this help and settings, click on settings, and here we find account, click on the account, and in account click on unlink this PC, click on unlink this PC, click on unlink account. Wait for a few seconds. After that, right click on it, click on the refresh, and after that your red cross problem is solved from your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.